Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix GCash. Something went wrong. Learn how to troubleshoot or try again after an hour error on your mobile phone. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option and now tap on search bar. Search GCash. Click on GCash and force stops. Okay. Scroll down. Then click on storage. Clear cache. Clear data. Delete. Okay. Go back. Now tap on permission option and allow all permission. First of all, camera allow back, second contracts allow back, and location allow back, and microphone allow back. Another nearby device notifications turn on notification, and photos and videos allow back, physical activity allow. Okay, complete, allow all permission. Okay, done. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again with your phone. Okay, done. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Click on search GCash. Tap on GCash. Check update your GCash app. My GCash app already updated. Okay, done. And open your GCash app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.